Hello, dear students. Welcome back once again. This is our last video and the last lesson of your textbook. It's a beautiful poem, An Autumn Greeting. Okay, let's go to the poem and the explanation.
An Autumn Greeting by George Cooper. Come, little leaves, said the wind one day, come over the meadows with me and play. Put on your dresses of red and gold, summer's gone and the days grow cold. Soon as the leaves heard the wind's loud call, down they came fluttering, one and all. Over the meadows they danced and flew, singing the soft little song they knew. Dancing and flying, the little leaves went. Winter had called them, and they were content. Soon fast asleep in their earthy beds, the snow laid a soft mantle over their heads.
Okay, everyone. Now let us go to the explanation of the poem, An Autumn Greeting. Come, little leaves, said the wind one day, come over the meadows with me and play. Okay, one day the wind said the leaves, come, little leaves, come over the meadows and play. Okay, one day the wind said the leaves, come, little leaves, come with me over the meadows and play. Put on your dresses of red and gold. Okay, put on your dresses of red and gold. Summer is gone and the days grow cold. Okay, the hot summer is gone and now it has started becoming cold. Okay, the summer is gone and the days grow cold, the starting of winter. By the time the leaves will ripen and they will become golden and red in color. So you can see the red color. Ripen and the leaves become red and gold in color. And with the wind, the leaves fall after the summer and just before when the winter starts. Soon as the leaves heard the wind's loud call, down they came fluttering one and all. Okay, as soon as the leaves heard the wind's loud calling of the wind, down they came fluttering one and all. Down all the leaves came down fluttering down. Soon as the leaves heard the wind's loud call, down they came fluttering one and all. Okay, as soon as the leaves heard the wind's call, they came down fluttering one and all. Over the meadows they danced and flew, singing the soft little songs they knew. Okay, the leaves came down when they heard the wind's call, and over the meadows they danced and flew, singing the soft little song they knew. The rattling of the leaves while flying in the air, that is compared to the song of the leaves by the poet. Okay, now what happened after hearing the call of the wind? They all came down at once. Over the meadows they danced and flew, and singing the soft little songs they knew. You can hear the flying when the wind blows, the leaves fly, and you can hear a sound. The poet compares that sound to the singing of the leaves, and he said, over the meadows they danced and flew, singing the soft little songs they knew. Dancing and flying the little leaves went. Okay, after the wind called the leaves, what happened? Dancing and flying the little leaves went. Okay, from the tree, from the old plants, the leaves all came down. How they came down? Dancing and flying the little leaves they went. Okay, by dancing and flying, all the leaves from the trees and plants came down. Winter had called them. Okay, the winter had called them. So winter started, the winter called them. So all the leaves by dancing and flying, they came down. And they were content, they were happy while the leaves flying, we can feel that the leaves were quite happy and content. Soon fast asleep in the earthy beds. Soon fast asleep in the earthy bed means the leaves came down flying in the air, swinging in the air, slowly fluttering and flying, came down and settled down on the ground. Laying of the leaves on the ground is called as the sleeping of the leaves by the poet. Came and settled down and lied on the ground and slept. The poet say the leaves are sleeping. The snow laid a soft mantle over their heads. The snow laid a soft mantle. The snow laid a soft mantle, a soft cover, a soft layer of snow laid over their heads. Over their heads, over the leaf, a small layer of snow. The poet feels that now the leaves are sleeping. And after sleeping, when we go to sleep, we used to cover our body with a quilt or a cloth for protecting ourselves from cold. The same way, all the leaves lie down on the ground. The same time, what happened? The snow falling started. The winter season, the snow falling is there, and the snow covered the leaves. A soft mantle, a covering. Okay, the snow laid a soft mantle over their heads. Here you can see when the leaves fall on the ground, they were lying on the ground. The snow falling was there, and the leaves were not to be seen anymore because they got covered with the snow. Okay, that is about this poem. That's the meaning of this poem, and it's a beautiful poem written by George Cooper, the American poet. There is no questions and answers in the textbook, but you read the poem again and go through each and every line and see there you can find out, you can make questions from this poem. So I will be giving the questions and answers. I will be posting the questions and answers for a comprehension of this poem in my YouTube channel, Teacher Roshni and Ekisa. I will try to prepare one question paper and I will try to post that in my YouTube channel. Those who are not yet subscribed the channel, you can subscribe and press the bell icon so that whenever I post a video, you will get a notification. And I will be posting more videos of your higher classes, English grammar, tables or different classes. You can find the video drawing videos there. So all this you can make use if you subscribe and press the bell icon. Whenever we post new videos, you will get notification. Okay everyone, thank you very much. I think this is the last video I am going to give you in our school website, and thereafter my videos may not be coming. So don't worry, we will meet in my YouTube channel. Write the comment in the YouTube channel, so there I will be responding to you. Due to the pandemic, you know that I could not meet you in person, but many of the students have taken my contact number and calling me. I am very happy to respond them. So you can also do that. For your guidance, you can contact me at any time. I wish you all the best for your final examinations. All of you take care. May God bless you all.